Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Epson Expression Home XP-4200 driver. This is the printer here. We're going to install the full driver that will contain all the software you need, Epson Scanner 2 and etc. You can use Bing or Google. So I want us to use Google Chrome. So go to Google Chrome, then search Epson support. Select Epson support, then open Epson support, then scroll down, then search product by name or by serial number. So the printer we want to download the driver is XP-4200. Epson Expression Home XP-4200. Select on it. Then it will show you the printer. Then you scroll down, select downloads. Select product setup. It will give you more information. Product setup contains everything you need to use the printer. This program download and install the latest driver and software for your Epson product, and where applicable may download network utility and additional software. So this software will download the driver and also the scanner. Then you select download. If you want to download individual driver, you can also select drivers. But in this case, we select Epson product setup, select download. Then look on your laptop screen or your PC. It will show you the file on top. Open the file. It will show you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Epson web installer setup. Then select yes. Licensing agreement, Epson end user software licensing agreement. Then you select accept. Select yes if you have read and accept the software licensing agreement. Allow software usage information. Then you select next. You can uncheck this as well if you don't want them to. If you don't want to send information, you can uncheck this and select next. Checking the system. Check the following. Thank you for choosing Epson product. See the printer manual for detail on setting up your printer's hardware. Make sure the printer is turned on. Then you select next. So it's downloading required software. Downloading printer driver. Downloading scanner driver. So this software we're downloading contains the driver and scanner driver as well. So all the necessary software you require are inside this particular one instead of downloading individuals. So installing required software, installing Epson's, installing scanner driver. Then once that is done, it will show you for you to select your connection method. So you can connect this printer via a wireless network. You can connect the printer via a wireless network from the control panel. Then once you've done that, then you select wireless connection, then select next. It will pick up the connection, it will pick up the printer from the network. If you select USB cable, then you select next, then it will advise, then you connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable. And once you've done that, it will pick up when a USB cable is connected, setup proceed automatically. So once you connect the USB cable and laptop together, the setup will proceed automatically. But in this case, I'm going to select do not connect now because I don't have the printer right here, but this is the information I thought to share with you. So I'm going to select do not connect right now. Then select next. It will show you setup complete. Your product is ready to use. Then select finish. So this is how to download the full driver and software package for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.